What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So Musa had gone with Samke Khwela, to Macele to try and break the news to her about that the Samke is now finally pregnant. But what Musa didn't know is that Macele herself had actually seen it way before Musa himself had actually seen it. And Macele had actually asked, some Khwela sometime and saying your dresses, they're changing. What's happening here on your stomach area here? So when Musa tried, to break the news to Macele, she already knew. So this is what happens in life. You see, generally women, they see that another woman is pregnant quicker than a man can see it. I don't know, maybe it is because of the way that we are born or something, but women see it faster and quicker than men. Women can see the signs, from a distance, and that is what Macele saw. And as for Musa himself, the only way that he is able to finally see that Samke is pregnant, if he is not told, is to see this huge bulge on the stomach. That's when he's like, oh, she's pregnant. But women, they can see the signs, and everything. And that is what Macele actually saw.